Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up HubSpot to create ClickUp tasks automatically. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the account settings by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. In the left sidebar, scroll down and select Integrations. Click on Apps to access the available integrations. In the search bar, type ClickUp and select it from the list. Next, click on the Connect App button. You will be redirected to ClickUp for authentication. Log into your ClickUp account or grant access if prompted. After authentication, return to HubSpot. Now, go back to the Integrations section in HubSpot. Select Workflows from the sidebar. Click on the Create Workflow button. Choose the Start from Scratch option for a custom workflow. Name your workflow appropriately, such as HubSpot to ClickUp tasks. Select the trigger for the workflow based on your preference. For example, you can choose Contact Created or Deal Stage Changed. Click Save and then add action in the workflow editor. From the Action menu, search for ClickUp. Select Create Task in ClickUp. Fill in the necessary fields, so you can customize additional task details based on your requirements. Click Save to confirm the action. Once you've configured the workflow, click on Review to verify your settings. If everything looks correct, click Turn On to activate the workflow. Your HubSpot setup is now complete to create ClickUp tasks automatically. Test the integration by performing the trigger action in HubSpot. Check ClickUp to confirm that the task was created successfully. If needed, return to the workflow editor to make adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.